So this tutorial will show you how to count between a particular range of value. So you want to count the number of event or number of population in between a range. Let's say here I count just tree height from 0 to 2 meter. So yes, and that is 581 and 2 to 4 the number of count is for this. Actually this column is represent my tree height data. So now what you should do equal to count if function, this is the function actually COUNTIFS, and then the select of the which column you want to apply this function. So in my cases this column name is ABC and this is the D. Okay, okay, this is the D. D, just change this name. We can also lock this column. So and this column will represent 4.1 meter to 6.0 meter, and fine, we just check this. If I do the next not, let's see. So let's say this will be 6.128, this will be 8 to 10. Change this column name, just delete them, just copy then paste, and then 8.2 10. Okay, just copy this and just change here from 10 to 12, and here you can change to 12 to 14. Okay, and there the 14.1 meter height to 53. Okay, actually this is my class and I want to count this. So